Sweet, here back at PAA before the storm comes with Jacob. He's ripping his Apex. It's an all KISS build. I got my Betaflight Apex. I'm running the Pyrodrone F4. He's running the all KISS Mr. Steel 4-in-1, KISS V2, Ethics motors, you name it, Ethics props. I got Gemfan props, T-motors, Predator camera, going a bit more custom. Let's have a rip, see if we can get some packs in before this storm comes.
We get it almost every night when that moon is big and bright. It's a supernatural delight. Everybody's dancing in the moonlight. Everybody here is out of sight. They don't bark and they don't bite. They keep theirs loose to keep it tight. Everybody's dancing in the moonlight. Dancing in the moonlight. Everybody's feeling warm and bright. It's such a fine and natural sight. Everybody's dancing in the moonlight. We like our fun and we never fight. You can dance and stay uptight. It's a supernatural delight. Everybody was dancing in the moonlight. Dancing in the moonlight. Everybody's feeling warm and bright. It's such a fine and natural sight. Everybody's dancing in the moonlight. We get it almost every night. And when that moon is big and bright, it's a supernatural delight. Everybody's dancing in the moonlight. Dancing in the moonlight. Everybody's feeling warm and bright. It's such a fine and natural sight. Everybody's dancing in the moonlight. Dancing in the moonlight. Everybody's feeling warm and bright. It's such a fine and natural sight. Everybody's dancing in the moonlight. Dancing in the moonlight. Everybody's feeling warm and bright. It's such a fine and natural sight. Everybody's dancing in the moonlight. Dancing in the moonlight. Everybody's feeling warm and bright. It's such a fine and natural sight. Everybody's dancing in the moonlight. Dancing in the moonlight. Everybody's feeling warm and bright. It's such a fine and natural sight. Everybody's dancing.
That's fucking sick rip. Yes.
That's a nice fucking setup, man. That
You-
is
you like
nice.
the Apex?
I like that.
And
That's what
I'll
mine's going
unplug
to
it.
look like.
I'll unplug the battery just so it's a bit safe.
That's
There you go,
cool,
you
mate.
know. It's a bit dirty, man. I just went through 4 trees in the last pack.
That's cool.
I just did the first prop change on.
These,
So I got this little thing so you can like,
Yeah.
lean over my shoulder and watch me go.
that is cool. I like it. I like it.
Oh, he's in the fucking tree. I'm gonna go. Let's take the camera over. Woo! Oh. I'm coming. Pinky's coming to the rescue. Rescue the KISS quad. Gotta rescue the Apex. No apex left behind. Where is it? Oh, it's fucking up the top.
One of the motors is
Oh,
in a port.
ready? Let's see if I feel me dying or not. Hopefully not. Good shit on the tree. I'm ready. This tree. Bring out the tree. Fuck. Where are you? Want to catch it?
Yeah, I'll try it.
I'll try and drop it flat.
Yeah.
Oh shit! Good catch. Started to turn. Oh, rescued. And this storm is coming. Oh, it's black over there. Oh. Whew. I'm fucked. There you go, Jakey.